Hi friends, welcome to K&VR Tech channel. This is Vivek, and in this video I am going to tell you how to write a C program to print something, data means something, onto console without using printf in main function. Okay, look at this program. I am writing the program. First of all, writing any program, we have to write hash include stdio.h. Next, look at this carefully. Hash define something called printf. Now I am going to print hello world to console. Okay, now I am going to start main function, void main, and starting the main function by opening flower braces and writing print return. I am closing the main function because I have terminated the main function with return statement. Now here I will explain how this works. Here hash define printf. In this statement, hash define means it will define this print as printf hello world. Okay, here the printf, we are renaming printf as just print, and now while we using this print in this main function, this will be replaced with printf while executing. Okay, so without using printf in this main function, we are getting the output as hello world. I will show you the output later, and we can do another thing also. We can just replace this main function also. Look at this program, hash include. I am writing the header file hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file, and now I am defining this main function as some variable x or something. Now I am writing void x printf hello world. Return, and closing this x function. Here, while our compiler starts compiling our program, header file, here this x is renamed as main. Main is renamed as x. Okay, hash define x main means define x as main. Okay, means this is x is replaced with main. So while our execution comes to here, void x means nothing but main. It is while compiling, or when our compiler compiling the program, here x is changed to main, and the execution as it is executes. Okay, so we can define not only like this, we can define many variables which we can use these as a global variables. Not just global variable, we are fixing this value. That means wherever you use x, it will just act as a main. Here also, when you use print any times, it will just print printf hello world. We cannot change this value because we are defining print as printf. Okay, now I will show you the output how this executes, and I will show you with a code running. Okay, see, this is the code I have written in the video, and now I am running this code. See, we are getting output as hello world. Okay, look at this code, hash include stdio.h, hash define printf hello world, means I'm renaming printf as print. Just renaming printf as print. We can define many, not only printf, we can use scanf also, and we can define something value as a fixed value. We can use pi equal to 3.14, like that. We can use anything. And now in this main function I am writing just print. This means here printf is changed to print, means here print, while compiler compiling, print will be printf hello world. Okay, look at this output, hello world. I will show you the another video also. This is the another code I have used for renaming main. Okay, hash include stdio.h hash define x main, means I am just changing x as main, means now x is nothing but main. Void x is nothing but main, means we are just making an illustration that here x, we are not using main in this function. Okay, printf hello world. Now look at this output. See, last time I get error just because poor connectivity. Okay, this is the output. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share the video.